Getting your U.S. taxes done as an expat or business owner does not have to be a headache. You can hand off the cross-border compliance, the treaty returns, and the bookkeeping, and get back to running your life. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through exactly how to start a new, secure client engagement with Arc and Ledger, an enrolled agent firm based in Los Angeles. Before we begin, you need two things. First, a general understanding of your current tax situation. Second, you need digital copies of your foundational tax documents ready to upload. Our firm is built for self-employed individuals and business owners with complex, multi-year, or international tax matters who value a structured process. If you are looking for the lowest price or a rushed, last-minute filing, we are not the right fit for you. Right now, our calendar for the April 15th deadline is highly impacted. If you are joining us as a new client during this high-demand window, we will file a tax extension on your behalf at no extra cost. By setting these firm boundaries and prerequisites up front, we ensure that every client receives a highly organized, meticulous filing experience from day one. Let's start the process. Step 1 is figuring out exactly what kind of help you need. Head over to the Arc and Ledger homepage, where you'll find our 2-minute Service Founder quiz. This interactive tool asks a few quick questions about your situation to generate personalized service recommendations and estimated pricing, telling you instantly if you need an $850 business return or specialized FBAR compliance. If you prefer to speak directly with an expert, you can bypass the quiz and book a free 15-minute consultation. For highly complex issues, we also offer a comprehensive deep dive discovery session. Make your choice right now. Either complete the quiz and submit your details online, or select a time on the calendar widget to secure your introductory call. Taking a few minutes to accurately assess your situation ensures we match you with the precise strategies required for your specific business or cross-border needs. Once you submit your information, we move into the first official phase of our workflow, the initial review. Our team takes your submitted details and conducts a thorough analysis to accurately map out the scope and complexity of your required tax work. Shortly after, you will receive an email from us detailing the exact scope of work and the specific tax services required for your profile. Attached to that email, you will find Step 2, your formal engagement agreement. Review the document carefully, digitally sign the agreement, and process the standard engagement fee right there on the screen. Please note that this initial engagement fee is strictly non-refundable. This initial payment acts as a retainer. Because tax season creates high demand on our enrolled agents, this fee formally locks in your spot on our active roster. Executing this document codifies the exact deliverables we owe you, creating a clear, protective boundary for both your business and our firm. Next, Step 3. Check your inbox for an invitation to our TaxDome client portal. Click the link to create your secure login and enter your workspace. Inside, select the Documents tab and drag and drop your tax PDFs directly into the system. Do not email sensitive data. Never send your Social Security number, ITIN, or raw financial statements through standard email. Routing every message and every document exclusively through the TaxStone portal guarantees absolute data security and IRS compliance while we prepare your return. This brings us to Step 4, work completion. Our enrolled agents take over the materials you've provided and prepare your tax return with precision. The moment the preparation work is finished, you will receive an automated notification directly from the client portal. That notification contains your final invoice and all comprehensive tax documentation, completely assembled and ready for your review before we file. By following this exact sequence, nothing slips through the cracks, whether filing standard individual returns or managing complex E-2 visa requirements. Put your tax compliance into the hands of a licensed expert. Head to arcandledger.com right now and take the Service Finder quiz, or book your free consultation to get started.